How are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, we have come with the content of our new video today. So friends, the new content of today's video is going to be how to fix DLL errors in Windows 11. Okay, that problem is appearing for many people. So in this video, we will show how to fix this problem. Without delay, let's start the video. First, you need to go to Windows. After arriving, you have to search for Task Manager here. Okay, you need to open Task Manager. Open the Task Manager. You will see an option called Run New Task here. Open this Run New Task. After opening it, you will see an option on the Browse button. Click on this Browse option. After doing that, you need to go to the C drive window. Alright, you need to go to the C drive window. So after coming here, you have to double click to open it. After doing that, you'll see an option called Windows. Alright, you need to click on the Windows option. Alright, so after doing that, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Here, you need to find an option called System 32. You need to scroll a bit. It will be a little down. So you need to scroll and find the System 32 option. There you see that the System 32 option has appeared in front of us. So you need to click on it. Alright, after doing that, you will need to find a folder file called CMD here. It will be much further down, so you will need to scroll a bit to find it. Alright, so you have to scroll a bit. The CMD command is quite further down. After scrolling quite a bit, here you are. Do you see this CMD command? You have to open it. Okay, double click to open. And then here where you see this link, you need to write it here. Alright. After writing this, you will see an OK option here. You need to click on this OK. After reading an interface like this has opened in front of you, you have to type a code there. You need to carefully type the code because if there is a small spelling mistake, it will not accept your code. You simply have to type there. After putting a space and then a slash, you need to write scan now. Scan now. Okay. Write scan now here. Just click enter. Okay. You will see that the code has been scanned. After scanning, you need to close this interface. Alright, after you close each interface one by one, you need to go to the start menu. Then simply go to the search menu and search by saying CMD. The command prompt application will appear in front of you. You need to click on this system. After the system opens, you will have to type a code here. You have to type that code carefully. I am repeating because if there's a little spelling mistake, your code won't approve. If the code isn't approved, your problem won't be fixed. You have to write here. And then you have to type the date. DATE. Okay. Check this code carefully once. If you make a mistake with the spelling, your code will not be registered. Okay. So check it carefully once more. After checking, you simply have to click enter. Okay. Here, see the updating policies happening. Look at this code. This code has been successful. Alright. So after doing this, check if your problem gets fixed. The issues you were having will be resolved. So friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. I'm leaving now. See you in the next video.